SK screw. So to do that, go to home, click on sketching. So again we will come to this. So we can see here, this is the outer diameter is 24 and to a depth of 6 mm, and then you have an include angle of 90 degrees. CSK is always at 90 degree include angle, and this is M12, and this overall dimension is 30. So to do this, so first we're going to start from the front plane. So go to home, click on sketch, click on the coincident plane, click on a planar face or reference plane, you take the front plane and go to project to edge. You say project to sketch option, you just say okay, click on this horizontal line and this vertical line, and then go to offset. So what is the offset distance here, which is 24, you take offset 12 mm, so it is round again. So again from here you take this dimension as 6, so you take offset distance as 6. So from here you take to this, then again from here you have taken overall dimension is 30, so go to offset distance 30, from here you take this. So then again from here you have 12, so that means on one side it is going to be 6. So you take from here 6 mm, then go to line command, draw a line from intersection point of this to intersection point of this, then go to delete option, you delete this line, it is not required. Then go to trim corner between this and this, then between this and this, between this and this, between this and this. So again you between this and this. So this is going to be the area what I need to create. So once I create this area, so since it is a round, because you can see here there is a round here, so naturally you will be going to get the cylindrical portion. So we'll go to for the close sketch, click on revolve protrusion. So come to home, go to revolve protrusion, then select from sketch, you select this as the sketch, accept it, then revolve it through, click on a line or edge to be used as the axis. So you click on this axis and revolve it through 360 degrees. So once you get this, now we need to create the thread. So the thread portion what we have here is M12. So go to home, click on hole, go to thread. So you accept this by default, then click on a cylinder to thread, you click on this cylinder and click on the end of the cylinder from thread will be offset, you click on this side, you don't have any offset distance, so offset distance is 0. So what is the thread which you have, which is M12, so by default it is already taken, because it is this actual size what I have taken is 6. So on either side it will going to become M12, and then you say simply finish. So you are going to get the thread portion. So then there is a slot here, this slot has been provided only because to apply the screw. So you are going to have a screwdriver through which it can be rotated, so that the thread will going to be get locked inside this. So this is how you will be able to do this model. So what is that, you are going to have the width as 2 and the threaded depth as 3. So to do that, you just, I will rotate this, then go to home, click on sketch, so click on this plane, okay, then you can take whichever angle you want, but only thing is the dimension is width of the slot is the one which you need. So you go to click on this, you click on this circle and also this center line. So then you go to extend or offset, take the offset distance as 1 on either side. So you select this line from here and you also select from this here, then go to select, click on this line and then delete this, then go to extend to next, extend to next on this, extend to next on this, like this. So once you do that, you just go to trim, you trim this portion and this portion, then go to trim corner between this arc and this line. Make sure that all these things are interconnected. This interconnection can be done only by using the trim corner. So from here to here and also from here to here. Then go to close sketch, then come down to home, click on cut. So select from sketch, you select this sketch which has been created, then accept it, then whatever the distance which you need to give, you just give distance is 3 and click on the side of the select the side for the feature. You can see here, that is the command which is been getting here. Click the side for the feature. You take the cursor down or the mouse down and just click on the first button of this mouse, so that it will be cut with respect to this by an angle of by a depth of 30 mm, I mean 3 mm. So you can see that here. So this is the axis, and this is the thread, and which is cut, which is going to be where a screwdriver can be applied to tighten this. So we will come down to this and make it isometric. Then go to material properties, that is information button. Click on information, go to material table, CSK screw. CSK screw is a Fe410W, apply to model. Then go to application button, go to information, come down to file properties, go to summary, then you type this CSK screw, then say OK, click on save and come down to this. So by default it will going to be on the desktop with screw jack, so to that it will go. So this is the path on which we need to save CSK screw. So all these parts which has to be created is only on a single folder, so that during the assembly it can be taken directly. So this is how you will be able to do the CSK screw of the solid model of screw jacks. Now we're going to save this.